You know, this is the time of year that many of us start searching for meal ideas that don't require any oven time or extra work in the kitchen. That's why today we're sharing a chicken and apple salad that'll get you through the dog days of summer. It goes together like this. We start by coring and chunking a few large apples. As for the type, you can use anything from Granny Smith, which are a bit tart, to the very trendy Galas. You can even mix and match them. Once they're cut, we can add some chopped celery, seedless grapes, chopped pecans, or really any nut, and some cut up cooked chicken. And that can be from a rotisserie chicken, or even easier, you can pick up one of those packages of pre-cooked cut up chicken from the refrigerated or freezer aisle. Now to dress it, we add some mayo, a bit of lemon juice, and some salt that we mix together. The lemon juice adds a real zing, and it also prevents the apples from browning. Whether you serve it on a bed of lettuce, as a sandwich, or in a wrap, everyone will agree that this salad delivers lots of crunch and fresh flavor. To get the recipe for our Chicken Waldorf salad, simply visit our website for a welcome addition to your summertime lineup. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cooler way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. I love me Waldorf salad.